Hi, good morning. As promised, I've got the Evolution 255 double bevel chop saw in place, and I'm doing a bit of extreme cutting, as you can see. And we're just going to demonstrate how well it cuts. This will be first for me cutting something this big in here. In fact, it's a little bit over the limit. It's supposed to be able to cut 90 millimeters this way. Now I've got 100 in there, so I'm probably going to have to turn it over, but I thought you might be interested and see how it goes. So here we are. That is actually cutting right to the limits. We get a little bit closer, I'll show you what it's done. Right, yeah, we got about 5mm left on this side, and it's about the same on the other side. It's only supposed to do 90mm thickness. This is 100 by 200mm oak. I fitted the Evolution blade they gave me that came with it as like a bonus. It was a wood cutting saw. So this is wood saws in there, and it's gone through like butter. Really has. No struggle at all. I've got another 9 of these to cut, so I'll crack on. But as promised, I came back and showed you what the Evolution was capable of. If you just hang on a few seconds for the video, there's some metal cutting videos coming up on the same saw that I've used this for. So yeah, thanks for watching. Yeah, as expected, really good cut. Get that in the light. Very little burring. And what I'm liking is the saw stops very quickly, as you noticed. On the old 210 I was talking about earlier, it's literally you're waiting for the momentum to stop and the saw blade revolving, or the revolving stopping I should say. However, on this there must be electronic brake, so within about a couple of seconds it's stopped. Which is very nice. You can take the work out, on you go again, cut another piece. So yeah, very happy. I'll get a couple more bits in, we'll cut those up, and but I'm expecting the same result. Yeah, another great cut. Just take it steady when you're pushing the blade through. Let the blade go through on its own. There's no hurry. Don't force the blade at all, and it just slices through like butter. I put the laser on that time. I don't know if you can't really see it there. You may just be able to pick it up. There's an on-off switch up on the handle there, which is handy. People have said that's not very bright, the laser. But in my book, in the garage is fine. If you're outside in bright sunlight, as with pretty much every other laser I've come across, you're not going to see it. But in the garage, that's perfect. So yeah, I think happy days with the saw. That's going to carry on for a while, I'm hoping. I'll keep a check on how many cuts I do with that bigger blade, and hopefully it's going to be more than the other one. But yeah, that's terrific. I'm very happy with the saw.